with Miss Houston. We're out of school, let's meet at the pool. It's time to have fun, so call up the crew. Before the party starts, let's go over some rules. Pool noodles in the air. Save, splash, summer. Everybody say yeah, yeah, yeah. Save, splash, summer. Throw your hands up in the air. I got my goggles, I got my floaties, I got my sunscreen on like my grown-up told me. Bounce, 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 bounce to the beat. Shades on my face, flip-flops on my feet. Get the snacks, I'm ready to go. Don't forget the popsicles, they're the star of the show. Feet first when I'm about to jump in. When you're careful, everyone wins. The grown-up first, am I allowed to swim? 'Cause safety always starts with them. We don't run, it's slippery when it's wet. We can fall. When we play, we're careful and we're not rough at all. When it comes to the pool rules, we follow them all. And if you can't swim, make sure you have a life jacket on. Every time. Save, splash, summer. Everybody say yeah, yeah, yeah. Save, splash, summer. Throw your hands up in the air. If you cannot swim, stay out the deep end. Stay where it's shallow, call for help if you need it. No food in the water and keep the gate closed. If you're throwing a ball, watch out for other people. Splash to the left, splash to the right. Throwing water everywhere, it's a water fight. The sun is beaming down, it's feeling good outside. Gonna party at the pool all day and night. Laughing, playing, splashing, gaming. Pool safety is what we're saying. Follow the rules and you can stay in. Save, splash, summer. Everybody say yeah, yeah, yeah. Save, splash, summer. Throw your hands up in the air. Safety's a priority and should be followed by the majority. Safety's a priority and should be followed by the majority. Smart swimmers are my favorite crowd. Let me hear you sing it loud and proud. Smart swimmers